Cybersecurity, navigating the digital landscape safely. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to break down the concept of cybersecurity for you in 5 minutes. Introduction. Cybersecurity, the practice of protecting computers, networks, programs, and data from digital attacks, unauthorized access, or damage, is a crucial aspect of the modern technological landscape. With the proliferation of digital devices and vast amount of data transmitted online, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overstated. The significance of cybersecurity. The digital age has brought immense benefits, but it also comes with heightened risk of cyber threats. Cybersecurity is essential for safeguarding sensitive information, whether personal, corporate, or governmental. The repercussions of cyber attacks can be severe, ranging from financial loss and theft of intellectual property to breach of national security and privacy violations. Protecting against these threats is paramount to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Types of cyber threats. Malware. This includes viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware designed to damage or exploit systems. Phishing. Cybercriminals use deceptive emails and websites to gather personal information. Man-in-the-middle attack. Interception of communication between two parties, often not known to the victims. Denial of service attacks. These attacks disrupt services, rendering systems inoperable to legitimate users. Advanced, persistent threats. Long-term stealthy attacks aimed at siphoning information over extended periods. Cybersecurity strategies and measures. A comprehensive cybersecurity strategy employs multiple layers of protection spread across computers, networks, and data. Key measures include technological defenses, implementation of firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. Encryption, encoding data to prevent unauthorized access. Access control, restricting access to data and systems to authorized personnel only. Secure software development, building security into software and applications from the ground up. Regular updates and patch management, keeping systems and software updated to protect against known vulnerabilities. The human element in cybersecurity. Human behavior plays a critical role in cybersecurity. Individuals must practice safe online habits, such as using strong passwords, being vigilant against phishing attempts, updating software regularly, and being mindful of the information shared online. Education and training in cybersecurity awareness are crucial for both individuals and organizations. Emerging trends and challenges. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field. Emerging trends include artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are increasingly used for threat detection and response. Internet of Things security. As more devices connect to the internet, securing these devices becomes paramount. Blockchain for security. Leveraging blockchain technology for its decentralized and tamper-resistant properties. Cloud security. With the shift to cloud computing, securing cloud environments is a growing focus. The future of cybersecurity. The future of cybersecurity will likely involve more proactive and predictive approaches, leveraging advanced technologies to stay ahead of cybercriminals. The emphasis will be on resilience and the ability to recover quickly from attacks, as well as the development of more robust defense mechanisms. Cybersecurity is a complex and essential component of the digital world. It involves a mix of technology, processes, and human factors, all working in tandem to protect information and systems. As digital technologies continue to advance, the field of cybersecurity will evolve, necessitating ongoing vigilance, innovation, and collaboration to counterattack emerging threats. The goal is not just to defend against attacks, but to create an environment where data and systems are inherently secure and resilient. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.